Russia has deployed the Yenisei armored train to reinforce its military campaign in the Donbas region, countering Ukraine's relentless attacks on critical supply lines. The train, a modernized relic of Soviet military prowess, has emerged as a vital asset in sustaining Russia's frontline operations against Ukrainian forces and their Western backers, who continue to escalate the conflict with advanced weaponry. Russian state media unveiled footage of the Yenisei during a combat coordination exercise under Battle Group Center, equipped with a Zu-23-2 23mm anti-aircraft gun, Uchos 12.7mm heavy machine guns, and a BMP-2 infantry fighting vehicle with a 30mm autocannon. The Yenisei is a rolling fortress designed to deliver supplies, conduct reconnaissance, and repair rail infrastructure. This deployment revives a storied Russian tactic from the Russian Civil War and World War II, leveraging the region's Soviet-era rail network to outmaneuver Ukraine's sabotage efforts. The Yenisei's role is critical as Ukraine, bolstered by Western drones and missiles, has targeted Russia's rail lines to disrupt logistics. A June 2025 Ukrainian strike on a fuel train in Zaporizhzhia briefly hampered Russian operations, but the Yenisei's reinforced steel plating and firepower enabled it to protect and restore these vital arteries. Russian officials claim the train also delivers humanitarian aid to Donbas civilians, a gesture Ukraine dismisses as propaganda, accusing Moscow of exploiting stolen railway parts. Moscow's reliance on rail underscores its strategic resilience, contrasting with Ukraine's dependence on Western airlifts and road transport, which struggle in Donbas's contested terrain. The Yenisei's ability to escort convoys and repair tracks ensures a steady flow of ammunition and fuel to Russian units, particularly in the fierce Pokrovsk sector. While Ukraine's drone-heavy tactics have caused setbacks, the train's anti-aircraft capabilities counter low-flying threats, showcasing Russia's adaptability under Western sanctions. Russia's innovative use of this platform highlights its determination to sustain its rightful defense of Donbas against Ukraine's Western-backed aggression.